So all right. So I want to start with suspended slab details. So we have this already. We have ground floor slab already. And let me just copy this CO space bar into this side. Copy it to this side. And I want to put I want to put the cantilever to this side. And cantilever is always center to out, center of the beam, to out. So make sure your auto is on. I don't have my auto here. That's control F8. Shift F8. Yeah. Wait, let me use Shift F8. Okay, I use Shift F8 because I'm using a screen recorder, so my F8 is not working. So let me use 600, enter, then escape. Center to house. This side also, uh, then 600, enter. So we have this. Then I want to use chamfer. Let me use chamfer. You click on this, and this. I'm using this slow. You see, that's the thing now. So from here, just extend to this side. Then I will extend this to this side. So how I can deliver to be on this side of the structure. So then I'll copy this out again. So sorry, this F8 is not working. Shift F8. And yeah. Let me just take this out. So we have this, we have a plain slab now. So now, I want to details. It's a suspended floor slab, and so here now it has to be a cantilever. This is a cantilever slab, and do I have a cantilever? So I have a cantilever here already as a sample. Can you see cantilever as a sample here? So click on this, 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 and CO spacebar. Let's bring it up. So we have something like this. Hmm. And the cantilever, is center to out. Then from here, CO, then shift F8. So we have 112.5. Don't forget cantilever is center to out. And this one too is what? 112.5, enter. So we have something like this, and here we have something like this. So yeah, so we have something like extend. So I can as well use MA space bar as match property. Then let's have something like this. So, since I'm not extending any column, I don't want to extend this beam, but just leave it. So here now, from here, let's put it here. So you can see by starting from here to this point, to this point, from this point to this point, then to this point. Then you can have this, this here, trim it out. Yes. So we have something like this. So we also have this is the main reinforcement, and we also have a distribution. And cantilever has to be times 2 of the cantilever. It's going to call back times 2 of the cantilever. So let's say we have the dimension. You have the cantilever of set out to center. You have 600. That means your call back inside. You understand? It has to be 1 2. From here now, 1 2. So at least after but construction sites you can have more than that. But at least let's have something like this. So we have this, then we have another one again, a distribution bar of the cantilever. So we have this, that's line. I draw a line, then MA space bar is also a top reinforcement. So this is a top reinforcement. So I'll also call this out also. I'll call it out. And I'll bring this up. Let me copy so that I can understand well. We have something like this. Let me just bring this up like this. Come for head and shift E. You can use F8 on your own laptop, but I'm using a screen recorder, that's why I'm using Shift E. So we also have something like this. Yeah. Then bring this up. So, so you have here copy selection to the side. And that means you put it here, then you also bring it down to this level, you know, yeah, this level and drop it. So that shows you that okay, this is where it's going to call out. So that means this top reinforcement, they're going to line it up to this extent, and up to this extent. So after that, that's for the cantilever slab. Then you come back to the main, to the slab, to the solid slab. So the solid slab is going to have its normal bottom and top reinforcement. So we'll have something like this also. I'm copying. So this F8 is giving me some concern. So you drop it here. Let's have something like this. Per one panel. I see per one panel. So per one panel, I have something like this. Drag it down. I have something like this. So I want this main reinforcement. I want it to span through all this slab. Then I will have this call out. This call out like this. That okay. Come to the air. Come to this place. From here. Then from here to here to here. And the last one, I'll just leave it there. Yeah, it's either you extend this, you click on this first, EX spacebar, then you extend it down. Can you see? So it extended already. Then we have this, copy this notation, click on this CO spacebar, click on it, then you put it there. So we have this call out already. Then we also have the distribution bar. That means the bottom bar. It's also a bottom bar with distribution bar. Click on line spacebar. You can draw it yourself or you copy either of the two. You click on this TR spacebar, trim it out. TR spacebar, you trim it out. So we have something like this. MA spacebar, match property to this. So for this now, I want to split the calling out. Then A to A, CO spacebar. You have something like this. Click on this, trim it out. Can you see? So you click on your notation, click bring copy selection, put it on top. I hope you can understand. So then we have another, this is one slab. This slab contains bottom bar and bottom reinforcement and bottom distribution, sorry. So we also have a calling back. This also requires a distribution. I mean the callback. It also requires a distribution that will be on top of the callback because it's also a top reinforcement. So you click L spacebar. I use L most of the time. So this is the top reinforcement that will be on top of the beam that will span through the initial slab and the next one. A spacebar, click on the top bar, put it on this again, and you match property already. Then this also span through all the beams. Click CO spacebar like this, then take it on top of it. Copy selection again, CO spacebar, put it on top of it. So we have something like this. So I can choose to divert this also. CO spacebar again, then put it here, then again put it here, then this, then round this again, copy it down, bring this, you move this M spacebar to this place, you click on it, then EX spacebar, then you extend it to that place. Then this one you bring it back, you bring it to this place. So we have something like this. You click on this notation, CO spacebar, bring it, put it here. This is now. So now we also have a bottom reinforcement. To this side also you can have something like this. Then this you can bring it down so that you can clear. Extend, you click on this you click on the last one, EX spacebar, you extend it to that place. You click on this together with the reinforcement, TR spacebar, you trim it. You get it that way. So then you take it from down, then CO spacebar, You click on this. I want to put this here for the top reinforcement so that it won't waste our time. So let's click on the CO spacebar. You click on this, then you put it there. So for the top reinforcement, you can bring it here, then just drag it down. So I want it to, your details has to be clean and spacious so that people on site can understand. So this will just drag it back. So you don't have to be very, very cumbersome so that it will be hard to understand. No, let it be clear and easy to understand. So I want to divert the calling out to this side, to the other side, to the right side. C or space bar. We have something like this. Then I will have this calling out here. You click on this, click on this space bar, bring it down, click on this TR space bar, something like this. Then you know you just you drag this out, and let me just pause.